Here we go. This is shoot number 3. I just did a big long spiel. I did my whole video and I went up to go check it out and I shut my lights off and I never pushed record. So I have to redo this whole thing. I hope I remember everything I said. Anyhow, I came back and started doing it again and I looked over and I forgot to put one of my lights on. I haven't been drinking. I haven't had a drink in so long. I had one drink with my buddy on my last video and that was my first drink in like, I don't know how long, 3-4 weeks anyhow. I'm cutting down pounds here and everything. Karen's upstairs making me a keto pork chop in the Crockpot. And I love it, the way she cooks. She's such a good cook. So today, I'm just gonna do shout outs. Now, shout outs for people that need help. Everybody needs help. I need help. I need help. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give these people a view. I'm going to have everything down below. Subscribe to their channel and leave a comment and say Cocktail Tony sent you. And also, make sure you give it a good view. Okay? My first one is your part-time bartender. Now, he's in Queens, New York, and he wants a Manhattan. Now, of course, you should go to Manhattan to get a Manhattan, but he went to Queens. Somebody gave him a drink and he liked it. My next one is the gluten-free grill. Now this guy is brand new. He's brand new. He's only been out a couple of weeks. He needs your help. So please get out there, watch his video, subscribe, and leave a comment that Cocktail Tony sent you. Okay? Next one, High Guy BBQ. I live in Fort Collins, Colorado. He lives in Denver, I guess, because he's a Mile High guy. And he does some good barbecues out there. And he's a neighbor. We call people up here neighbors from Colorado. So make sure you, Cocktail Tony sent you, subscribe, leave a comment. And Flukey Food and Travel. They're in Las Vegas. They were in Las Vegas on their last video at the Circle Hotel. I lived in Las Vegas for 30 years, so good video. I like that one. And cooking and barbecue. He's another good one. He made a stuffed pork chop with Tasmanian seasoning. Tasmanian seasoning. I like pork chops. I like pork chops. Karen's making me one right now. And he's making one over there with a Tasmanian seasoning and it's stuffed. Stuffed pork chop. Make sure you check him out. Now let's go upstairs and see how Karen's doing on making my pork chop. See you then. Okay, folks, here we go. We're going to have a pork chop in the crock pot. And we're going to add olive oil, honey, ketchup, soy sauce, Maker's Mark, garlic. Put it all in a little mixing thing over here. And we're going to mix it up and put it in the crock pot for 5 to 6 hours. See you when I'm ready to eat. Talk to you later. And there it is. There it is. That looks so good. I think I'm going to eat it right now. Have a nice day. Bye.